This is Stanza in the building.
What did you say, actually?
About what?
Uri, welcome back. This is what?
Stanza.
Say it. It's Stamto.
Stanza.
No. Phela wena umsuthu. It's Stamto.
The car doesn't car a lot.
It has to car.
No, it will go when time is right. I can't want to like it's like a flu and you know what? Skip to the part where we discuss what I'm here to do today. With certain distractions, yo, there's this thing called. Do you remember the video that Bulum Buntayona about this woman who was starving the kids, and the kid went, neighbors knocked for food and for help. You know, but what occurred to me is what was the real reason behind that, and how should about that video, and you sit down and you hear the talks about that video, and you see like the real reason was for them to perform a ritual with the kids so that they can be in a cult, embody Satan. Hey, a lot is going on, Mulifatsing, guys. We need Jesus back.
Like, what was the real reason, that lady? Because I remember you showed me, and then we shared that story. But Aka Utla the final, or why that lady was starving the kids. To death and something.
You know, I believe, like, in my understanding, and as a horror fan, when someone is weak to the core, they subject to anything. You understand? If you are too weak, you can even take your life or be drowsy enough for you not to feel, you know what, right now I'm being murdered, brutally murdered. You are weak at that point. Understand? And how can we do it? But that kid was so brave, guys, for him to actually escape and go to the neighbor's house to knock and ask for food and for help. Shout out to you, kid. Shout out. But coming back to our South African stories, that story that I was just discussing happened in America. Coming back to our South African stories, yay! Did you hear about the woman that sold the baby to a sangoma for powder?
Powder?
I don't know, it's powder or what is this? What is this? The drugs that they do. Those drugs that they do. Apparently, Mogeli was short on cash, of course, allegedly. Not the tablets tend to twist the truth. After getting spicy, you know, Raja Mole, cook. So I'm just gonna allege the story because we don't have the full details. So allegedly, this lady had a kid, you know, and she didn't have like those itarani, so those drugs, you understand?
So like the money to smoke.
You know? Yeah. So she decides, she thought it's the best idea. Sangoma paid the lady 20K, and when the friend comes through, she shares the money with the friend. You know?
And then the friend Tarumel.
Of course, you won't refuse.
I'm 10,000.
All
of a sudden.
But
I know what you did.
No.
Yeah?
You don't know what I did.
So, meaning the lady took the money and then she moved from the Sangoma's house. I go to Mer Chomi 10,000.
Let's go buy clothes. Let's go dazzle ourselves. What happened in South Africa? So apparently it's like now after the friend I noticed how? Show me where's your baby?
After how many days? I got about 2, obviously.
I'm getting there. Yeah. When they're high enough, you know, cloud 20 when they're there. That's when the mother tells the friend, oh, but you see this money? I got it through certain ways. You know, the Sangoma wanted my child for a ritual, and I gave the baby, and they gave me the money, and this is the money that we are using for these things. You know? All the story that I'm doing right now, it's alleged, but deep down, it is true. Yay! Don't come for me. But hey, it's so sad, and you can sell your own blood for money to get drugs. You know, that also goes for sexual trafficking.
One, two, yeah,
You know, and now they have the nerve to go and what is this? And open a case for a missing person. Okay, my child is now missing. How is your child missing when they see? You know very well what happened to the child, miss.
Yes,
South Africa is a movie. We live in a series.
Mzansi ki movie. Bona ilan uboni lately. Sorry to say that, but uboni lately hore hona le trend ench. I think baba tlo etsa trend hore.
What trend?
Yeah. This boys but travel like a bicycle from Pietersburg to Cape Town.
I saw.
Yeah,
like the cycling thing.
Yeah, but there's 3 boys only. Normal BMX, what, understand? So there is now ki ba bang o mong wa wheelchair le ena. O tloa Cape Town, o ya France. Ka wheelchair. Yeah, ka wheelchair. And ba mo shoot and they're like, this guy stopped and say, "Hey, mona, o salima." And then utsamaile how many Ks from Cape Town? I don't know. Nabali in the middle of, I don't know that place, but he said from Cape to where I am now, it's 900 and something Ks. So you still have something like 10 million something.
With a wheelchair.
With a wheelchair.
Is it like the fancy one?
No, the wheelchair. He still has 6 years or
to get to France.
And Arwa. He's saying I'm going.
He wants
I'm
a
not sure they're getting
delicious
sponsors for that
croissant.
thing.
2 minutes later, Kiowa Kriva.
Who Kriva, you know?
I get to this flag ya South Africa. Uchori Kriva. Kriva thing, I don't know. It's built somehow. In Alima Matairai too. Liana is running. I don't know he's running where. Maybe all of Mozambique. We don't know.
Are you sure those people are normally there?
No, they're not normal. So Mzansi, things like this. The story so like Mzansi is full of jokes. I don't know that lie.
So now we live in our own continent.
No, serious. Mzansi is full of jokes. That's why we get parents about Ricky Saban. Imagine sending your kid.
Your kid, yeah.
And it's stupid. It's stupid. Lino Mavana Kutrelete news. I was watching news. Babuaka, this woman who killed the husband somewhere last year September, and I'm the insurance.
I get that GBV only applies on work.
Yeah. That's why in South Africa it's so wrong. I find South Africa wrong. I can't go with some guys.
No, my man. Nothing is wrong with South Africa. What's wrong is our government. There's this country where a president, I think. He is so young. I forgot. It's one of the African countries.
Burkina Faso.
Burkina Faso. Oh my God. Ooh, so
President Tory something. Tory. Yeah. He's Tory. He's a smart president.
He's so young.
He's the smartest, one of the smartest presidents I've ever seen. I love that boy. He's born. Unale energy wa participate mo everything ya high. If are born, let's go plant trees for children's funds. What. Utonga kharaf. Aye by yourself, and he carries a gun. He wears like a soldier. Am I? Yeah. He wears like a soldier. Putting Wamorad. I think a lot of president Bamorada because he's 26.
He's so young, but who lead a country? Jesus.
So yeah, so I love the fact that he's changing a lot of things. It's one of the guys. The way Naki Utlakabon, it's one of the guys Olorong Obata Reberekise Africa as a whole. Reberekise currency over.
Nice.
But it has given the example I think you know how social media is.
No, but either way.
Current the head Yamandel and then Cheleta Africa even free one.
But like imagine Cheleta Africa 71. Do you know how much is 2,000 in Nigerian dollars?
not fun. You wait to discuss.
No, but no. Like a mere 100,000. 100,000. 100,000 in South Africa. 100.
To go guy.
Kapa.
Yeah.
Nigeria. And I said 1 million. 1 million naira
Yeah.
in Nigeria. How much is
Yeah.
it?
Imagine.
How 1 million naira in South Africa? How much is it?
Oh, but yeah. Okay, fine. Yeah. You say how much is it? 1 million naira in here. If I'm not mistaken, might be 10.
10 what?
10,000.
Yeah, somewhere there.
Somewhere there. Yeah.
So now imagine if and the Zimbabwean dollar.
$100,000. 100,000. Yeah, yeah, South Africa. Go Zimbabwe by Pushaka Creek.
I'm telling you, they go to other
I'm
countries.
telling you.
I'm a millionaire, darling. Get on the fellas 50K. Like, what?
Yeah, I think if you go to Maputo and Zimbabwe and Baudumela, you buy a stand car. I think 50,000 will survive. A lot. It's a lot.
It's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money.
And when it comes to South African rents,
It's not money. That's why now they batlaka yimoro na batwenga.
but they're overcrowding our places.
What can we do? What can we do?
We are a rainbow nation.
It's our African brothers. It's our bachelo, our African brothers. When Namzala, there's this woman, na shoot man, parking this show, Nike Namo parking. Yabu Wendy is Wendy. You know Wendy,
No.
the chubby lady, Nabashuta. My body works for me.
Oh my.
You know,
Oh,
Wendy, that
Wendy.
Wendy.
Oh, she is my loving dog. That's
Wabana
one.
Wendy.
Yeah,
Linake market or Rwandi, but you know that she's married to a Nigerian guy.
yes.
She lives in Nigeria.
Yes.
Utwala di million kakwa oya di naira nkakwa.
But she's a millionaire.
Kakwa.
Yes.
Not kam.
Yeah, Kamo, you're not.
Kam 1,000 year.
Kamo, she's 1,000 years. God, but she's a millionaire. Yeah, 1,000 years, my sister. Let's not forget that. But I love you.
Teras, like, akiti or white South Africa.
No, it's a mandatory. Go to somewhere and explore different cultures. You might find your calling right there.
You might, but wandu ratashele. Kamulela, nakamulela. Wandu ratashele.
Anyway, they will come here.
Sorry, Mara, or ratazaga. So, ratazaga. So, and you know how the culture, yeah, the Nigerians are. In the Zulus, they marry. Manale dading sorry, Sansabanyale.
But Nigerians are like they take care of their women. They love their women. They take care of their women. I mean, they take care of their women.
I'm a Nigerian.
Oh, big time.
Why have you dated one?
Come
with the story.
Experience.
Let's not get in there. I don't want that customer to think I know.
Something like an experience.
Come with the story.
No, why I'm saying this? You get surrounded, especially because I had a friend, Wapopito, and my sister, not my sister, biological sister.
What's sponsoring?
Birds
with
same flocks.
They
fly along.
Whatever.
Yeah.
So
Uskata, but let's say okay, I tried.
No.
I tried. No, she tried. She tried.
No, I didn't. I didn't.
Seras.
Oh, I love them.
Michelle. Seras.
Yeah.
You've never dated any. Poppy.
But that's the topic for today.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I know you have a story.
I always have a story. Like I've said, in my age, I've passed more than 50 lifespans that a normal human being could pass through. You understand?
Okay. Yeah. A friend. You were telling about the friend.
So a friend of mine, Onajola, with this Nigerian. You understand? So Nabajula, those fancy estates that side of Pretoria.
Yeah.
So you would see how they would treat each other and how he would treat her, you understand? And I would be like, girl, and she would tell me, no, my man gave gives me an allowance even though it's not. So yeah.
So can I ask you, for Lona, South African ladies, the good treatment is only
It's
money.
man.
Money talks. Money
No,
open
money
doors.
doesn't talk.
Money open doors.
No, yes, but can I ask you that, Ture? You South African ladies, do you think
We love money.
Kiona, that's very, when you're taking care of a woman is when
Umufachele.
Vele.
Not just that, being there for her also counts, like your mental well-being. Like as long as my needs and requirements are met.
But you can never have everything. That's the only problem.
Why can't I
That's-
have
that's-
anything? Why can't I have everything?
No, that's the only problem about South African women. South African women are
Materialistic.
listen, yeah, born, you work. Let me say I'm a millionaire. I'm dating you. I'm buying you Porsches. Born, you live in a 30 billion house. Big, huge, with 50 maids and 72 gardeners. You understand? But the problem is that I don't have time.
yeah, hey Nangal.
You understand? I don't have time.
But Nangal like a 200 and the Louis Vuitton. You know?
So I don't have time, Poppy. The only thing you're upile munadi for you to only wait for muleka 200 the moment. It's when in Nakitsuile out of the country kilo it's actually.
Of course.
Besides that, and then there is Ukasi Pumulika 200,000. But if I'm here, I'm not working, go far now, go far in. You start to complain. You want money. But when I go look for money, you start to complain. You don't have my time. What do you actually want? Tell me. When I'm putting banyana bamzanza, I'm pulete bono. When I pila. Popi.
We
How na
want money.
Fela.
No, we want money. We want love. We want reassurance. But let's remember, girls, men will leave you in a desert without water. Can you say that?
Yama.
Kanyimba.
Are.
Men will leave you in a desert without water.
Kanimbao.
Yes.
Oh,
Miss
okay.
Mbao.
Mbiabiao. Mrs. Mbiabiao.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, Mrs. Mbiabiao, enough time. She doesn't have
But-
all she's a hustler.
Oh yeah, she's gone. But all we want as South African women is money. There is no woman lemzansi athi mina ngihlalele ethandweni and ngifuna umuntu amangithande. Unalemaka. Hofika mutha VW mo Polo VR.
Polo.
Over
Baba Bitsang, the Polo what?
The Polo guys.
The Polo guys.
The Polo guys abafihla mo.
Majita Polo.
Bona.
Polo drivers.
Yeah.
Afihla mo o kenya le wiki e lo salo e reka konto ko Dragons City. I don't know how long. As long as I feel long, my young, I'll have money.
Yeah, that's the Zaga, Lefasi, Mar Baskari, money buys love. Money doesn't.
Money buys everything.
No,
Except for love.
except for love.
Do you know how many people are sitting in loveless marriages but they're there for money?
Yeah,
Exactly.
loveless.
It's not love.
Love. It's
Yeah,
not love.
it's not love.
Loveless.
What love?
But you learn to love a person.
Never.
My sister, no.
You never learn to love someone.
You do.
You can't. You only learn at school. Fair. You can never learn to
You
love.
learn how to love a person.
You can love, but you can't learn a feeling. Love is a feeling. You can't learn it.
Yeah.
You understand? It's something that comes naturally. You can't learn it. That's what
My
you're saying.
man, let me tell you one thing. You know when a person is dead inside, like really dead, I am the pain. You know, then meet that one specific person who teaches them how to love. You can learn how to
No,
love.
yeah,
That's still something.
that's
different.
something different.
Mm.
Born, I can teach you how to love. I can say come back to reality, and make you believe that love, lerato le salte la exists. Bring back your feelings and do whatever as a friend. You understand? As a friend, you understand? And say, Poppy, no, skawara. We rehetile le nna sele ka hete. You understand? Sele wa etsala so. Sele wa etsala so. Come back to reality.
We're not gonna hate it.
Love is there. No,
It's going down, guys.
yeah.
It's going down.
Even our hot mans are getting hurt now.
Yeah, but then discussion for the day was about women, and their babies. But then I feel like we overpassed that because like it's all about learning to love. Not only when you love yourself enough, you will be able to love the person that you're gonna be with next.
As I told you, you start with you.
With yourself, yes.
You start
Love
loving
yourself in
Yeah.
order to love.
Yeah.
Because you can, you know how many videos every day that you pass by was scholar, and within that 5 minutes of the scholar, you find a woman in the river. I saw that video.
It's so sad.
And it's so sad. And I keep
It's so very sad. Yeah.
Somewhere bobotshabelo,
Yeah.
in a river, car plastic a black. And then bontate bana when bamunta and
he's still alive.
the baby's still alive.
Yeah. And a very plastic it was
floating away.
Floating.
And then the other one that I watched is when it go whereby she gave birth. Like utata hoteta right now, me. Tata hoteta, a repa wana kara dukobo, kamutela kara plastic. The baby still crying, And haba meba mutimbat, oh one on mut in king kamu. You know turns a rasa. Haba bula bacheka. It's a baby.
What's it? Poppy reminds me. She reminds me of the other story. And I don't wanna. This one I don't want to touch it.
No, let's not touch it, man.
This one I know the person like
face to face.
Face to face, like this.
This is the platform. Stamp 2 podcast. This is the place. This is the place.
I don't want to.
You have to.
No, it has to go to Libito. And I don't.
No, you don't have to take out the name. You don't have to take out
You
the
just have to
name.
take out the experience of that
But
person.
if
My brother will understand.
Listen, if she's looking or he's looking, what I'm talking about, him or her.
Then you shall apologize.
No.
For the operators.
Well, bona ke tla ibua next time. Ke mo tseba so.
Like nene.
So, and alatlhela ngwana ka mora dustbin. Like, you guys, waiting. Guys, let's just leave it. It's another topic. Yeah,
I think Loisa needs to take out a song for women. Just because, he, like that song, Emma Dota Sabela. I love that song. But
thank you.
You need to release for women, man. Because
you also need to release for women. I get my daughter. Now we need. Yeah, women must also sabela.
Yeah. Because guys, things that happen. And our government is just sitting down. Are we going to discuss the fact that children are not sexually educated?
No, they actually are.
I remember Celebi by introducer this thing. But children must be.
They must be sexually educated.
But I don't know if a little guy, and they are not.
Especially from the age of 15.
They are not.
They should be sexual. There is this child that literally committed suicide. I'm not going to say the name. She committed suicide because she was pregnant.
Ooh, oh yeah, I know. You see?
Because she was pregnant.
Yeah.
And she was afraid to inform the parents and kill herself.
You see?
Why?
You see?
Parents must sit down with their children and inform them.
Besides a parent, now I think maybe if the government must say at least overlay that 30-minute subject, I think, what do you think?
No, it's there.
Hello.
It's there.
Life orientation.
Life skills, life orientation is there.
Oh, yeah.
Life sciences
It's there. Yeah. It's there.
Guys, happen naradi.
Oje, you don't stand that so what?
Yeah. Rana can the standards. Right, the
Let's I don't know that one.
We don't know it.
No, there is MMS, MMSS.
No, ma'am, so I think
social sciences, natural sciences.
Lebitsa Marakadi cut short.
EMS,
yeah. MLMMS.
Yeah, technology.
Yeah, MLMMS. Yeah, something.
Isn't it NSN Sec?
There's what?
MLMMS. ML, yena eo, ne?
Okay, let's
Le NS.
NS.
Natural
Yeah.
Science, NSS, what? Sorry, the LO radiate. So yeah, I think maybe
Children
something
should be
should
sexually
be-
inclined.
and we should also. Now I was thinking about it
Mm.
to just go to schools and
Because
talk
one
to the
thing
kids.
in
You
high
understand?
school, as a president,
Mm.
we would have like sex talks. Go
Mm.
to a clinic, have like a little bit seminar whereby we discuss sex. What happens during an unprotected sexual intercourse. Because it's not about where you fall victim to rape. Although it's now a higher rate that's rising, it's not about where you fall victim to it. But if you fall victim to rape, what are the next steps?
Aish, it's a problem. I know it's a popular. Sorry to say this. I think we still have kids by Loring, but they went through that thing.
Yeah.
But they are
it's just
They're still quiet.
even
Mm.
until today. And now I think kids, it's about time now. And some of the kids, but journalism school teachers.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You don't know
For Baba Tsepisite,
the distinction.
the distinctions. And the teachers, they are I'm not going to lie.
And it's not
Understand.
about Lijola inside the school premises. It
Yeah.
happens on the outside.
You're outside.
Dominantly, you understand?
Yeah, and people won't judge you outside because it's a relationship.
It's a relationship at the end of the day.
Popi Bajola level is 70-something year old.
Hell no.
When you can date.
Hell no.
When you can date, I'm telling you. When you
I
can
will
date.
never date a 70-something-year-old. When someone like above the age of 50 approaches me, you're my dad.
Hi.
Oh, Papa.
Oma,
I'm serious.
Oma. Let me say, okay,
I'm serious.
I'm that madala. Bona ke etsang, sorry. O fa karata. Ka bo mo ko romela mo ATM. Pele o ntshetse 500 nyana mola. A kere wena o nka e smartana. Marolo mo smartanyana. My bones are so painful. Can you please just take out go for black card or go for moneyed card? Why am mola wa intsha? A o intsha mo. Obviously, o tlo batla bona balance. A o bona di zero tse. Bye. And then after that, go share it.
Hell no.
Pakile Mercedes Benz.
I don't care.
O want this? O tshwere sleepy.
Never.
After that, no, it's a 200. Bang.
By God forbid, that will never be me. Never. Ever, 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 ever.
I'd say women, if monkeys, Nadia Chalet, give it to Jola, Basadi Bajola.
Never.
I'm telling you, Poppy.
I have my own taste in men.
What's your taste?
I have my own taste in men.
Cosas.
Something like a cause.
Hustle.
Tall, dark, and
Handsome, yes.
Why Vanyana Baba tall, dark, and chocolate?
Tall. There's a lot comes with chocolate.
Hey.
The bitter sweetness of chocolate. No, but to be honest, I will never date someone that is at the age of my dad. Never.
It's also respecting yourself.
It's like a higher taboo. I don't know that was invented when.
Then Poppy, let me tell you a story. This one. And Basadi the wrong. You can say that, Poppy. You can say that, but you don't know. Let me tell you one thing. There's a story. Wait, this one, it might take, I think, 20 minutes. 30. But my uncle's wife once cheated. Thank you. Once cheated. You understand? And I get uncle. Give this story. No, it's okay. It's okay. I understand. So I'm not saying my uncle, but someone I know. It's the person. It's the person I know. Not Ore. As such. Naspanako, like he was
I
traveling.
hope he's watching. Eh?
He was traveling, not by that truck. You understand? So
But what haven't the truck
yeah, but sharp. No, they're getting paid sharp.
Sharp, yeah. The life insurance 7
Ah.
medical aid.
When?
No, but I'm being for
What's
real.
that guy?
Truck companies pay.
Yeah, we
Especially
know
by
that.
transport and oil,
Why when I not social media insurance?
when they die, honey, it's so beneficial.
Go good to recover.
Maranyab, I'm just saying to those who are dating them, be aware.
So here's the story.
Okay, take the mic, darling. This one is yours.
So here's the story. So the guy, he travels always. Like every week, company inside the job. They travel. So on that day, Kanti Mugel, the woman, onale le kwapeng, and that guy had about 5 days. Yeah, travel countries and in understand. Mugel obviously le kwapeng because the man comes only 2 days, then Warobala, then tomorrow it's another trip, Mozambique, Namibia, you understand?
Obviously, Madala now have in different countries.
So Mugele only the Makwapeni, the neighbor knows. Or Mugele onalor. So on that day, the man said to the wife, "Mom, now I'm leaving." Understand? Now I'm leaving tomorrow morning. Barisa, I think it was Devon. Yeah, it was Devon. Not I think. It was Devon. The company was there Devon. It was, I think, December 14. December 14. You understand? Baya Devon. So, Alaila Munna. Alaila Musadari, my love. It's normal. I'm leaving. Understand?
Yeah.
Devon in. Utwaka 6-7.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, late. Like, even. So half it's also Kyola. We are company. Aba fitla ko company. Okay, the moment I fitla ko company, Mugele, Ubita, she calls the Kwapeni, the side chick, the side husband, I mean the side boyfriend. Ore it. Ovaile. You spend the weekend, but we let the way. And it's been long, never sabonai. Now, no the story says Risutwa ko court. After whatever happened. So, Mugai Hatla, Menuko spanning, Akara Sophie, all our table when he's out, like us boy. Afika come Merocompo. Men, all already, he's in the house. The side guy is in the house. The husband, the real husband, when he gets to work, the company says, guys, no, we're not traveling as such, you understand? Yes, we are traveling, but
we local.
Now, no, yeah, local and it's Durban, obviously.
Yeah.
So it's a surprise for you. The company is thanking you guys for working hard for the companies. You know, this year, what. Thank you guys and what, understand. So we've got tickets for you. Actually, we wanted you to come, Momo, Miracle, and then we tell you about this, and then go call your wives, everyone, call your wives, your families. They must be ready. We booked you. we booked you a hotel.
So it was like a family.
It was a family
thingy from the company.
That comes from the company. That's the company's thanking them. Understand?
Do we still have companies like that?
We don't know. It's the Amara thing we still have. So he went back. He's excited. Yeah, now he doesn't want to ruin the surprise. So, otherwise, Naum phone.
My brother, only to find out you're gonna be surprised.
You understand? Abatomo phone. Hey baby, you understand? Or no, go surprise. Listen. Wafitla. It's in the location around Tembisa. Hafitla. Tembisa, Mujolo, Maragan, Tembisa, Banning, Tembisa,
Tembisa, wait.
Yeah, but they always say, but you always hear about it, but Tembisa.
Yeah, but I've never been.
So now, Wafitla, He's trying to open the door. The wife locked. Babi, ziko kamoreng. Understand? Babi ziko kamoreng. The wife and the mapapa. They're all
Showing the
on.
paranoid.
They're all on. You understand? So, ha pusha munyako. The key, obviously, you know, when the woman locked the key, it's also inside. You can never open until
From
you're
the
not
outside.
inside. She takes out the key.
Yes.
So the wife ajambe. Oh, the husband
It's here.
back. Maria, open. You understand? Maria is just a name. I don't want to say names. Maria, open. Isa, Mugai, Mr. Underpent. Isa, the husband is here.
So that is there.
First, the bat, like
Oh, sweet Jesus.
you know what happens? Why it's about kissed? Do you know kissed?
Those things they give when it's a funeral or
No.
no, I'm a marriage.
No.
Box, yeah,
Something like
it's
that,
a storage box, yeah.
It's a storage
Oh,
box.
Yeah, something like a storage
Trunk.
box, yeah.
Trunk,
yeah.
the old trunk.
Yeah.
So it's a blue, it's a what you
Yeah,
want, and then
yeah.
you lock it and then you use it in gate. The guy hid himself cap. Obviously, go hold dropong. But I'm gray.
Because obviously, but the minute
But even about what's even that thing. But one down or more dropong, it's easy. Men are carrying a korobala. But the pijama or bula. So now the guy ran into
the key.
the keys that and kitsela tsa lezeng, you know, the amukenna kamo tranking. So mugele uya kwa attended the door. She went to attend the door. She opens. How, baby? Aren't you going to Devon? What? No. The guy is excited.
This is a move.
The guy is excited. No, what? He hugs him. I hugs him.
Fair.
Yeah, we are going. The company just bought us tickets, booked for a week. They are thanking us for our hard labor, working nicely, throughout all these years and stuff. Now, serious, puta, let's go. Come on, fix things. Let's go. Come on, take your clothes.
You know the ladies also.
You forget everything. Surprise vacation.
You understand? It's a problem, bro. So the woman did that, but Utsui, the husband, Lena. No, the woman was like to the husband, no, don't come with me to the room. When I just no sitting, let me just fix clothes and stuff. And then she packed everything they'll need in Devon. Then now the woman Anna Chont, but their offer, she gives the husband the bags so that the husband can go out first to take the bags inside the car. Which is some woman.
I come with it. Yeah.
You lock the trunk, ne? Then you hook vele the. She didn't lock it. She didn't snap it. Katla, understand? She just hooked it nicely, thinking, or the man will get a chance.
Yeah,
escape. And then fine. She pulled the door. She pulled also the butler. She never locked because the husband is already waiting
in the car.
So yeah, now she just hooked that lock. Then went to Devon. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, the husband utwaka call from
the neighbors.
Not the neighbors, the police. Hey, daughter, hey, how are you? Hey, Mr. Spanban, you understand? Yes, Mr. Spanban. Ish, there's a problem here. Where are you? No, we are in Devon with the wife. What? Ish, there was a smell inside your house. Understand? Neighbors, neighbors saw the flies on the windows and stuff. So when you get there to your house, your door is open and it wasn't locked. So we're thinking maybe there's a dead person inside because the smell smells like a dead person. Understand? They went in, they found a dead person inside the keys. You understand? And that keys. Now the guy didn't manage to go out because remember, she hooked.
Yes,
she
the
hooked
lock.
it outside the lock, even though she didn't lock it, but she hooked it. So how am I going to be able to push the door and take out my hand because obviously it's short. It's just locked. Understand? And wayachi, that thing, yeah.
Yachis.
It's hot. The guy died there. Now they called the husband, and now they need to explain what's happened. And now the husband, the police, Banyako arrested the husband because it feels like
He did it.
he killed the guy and hid him inside
The trunk.
the trunk.
Yeah.
Obviously, you understand, Pella, it's hidden. You are hiding someone there. You understand?
Pleasure becomes a case.
The
man.
next door neighbor,
I keep it going.
keeping the we were there, even us outside. So there were cameras and stuff. Now people are talking. The next door neighbor, she's the one who exposed this one. Tlohela monna batho. And the police were ready to arrest this one because already handcuffed inside the van. Next door neighbor because she likes the guy and it's a good guy. Good makhelwane.
That is who they say only thing.
Good makhelwane. You understand?
Yeah.
So the next door neighbor just said, guys, now let me tell you the truth. I can be a witness in court. I can be a witness in court. This lady, it's been 2 years now. That's the boyfriend who died inside the case. But I saw the boyfriend Friday, 6 or 7 o'clock. 6 o'clock again. After the man left. So today, as the man doesn't know this lady. Me, I know. I always see them on the window. Hey, the woman started crying. Yeah, no, I'm sorry, baby. What? Hey, Poppy. She told the police the truth.
But if Mugeli knew exactly what was going on, why not ready my key? Can you please enter my house? Keep Palomuntu in the trunk.
It was a secret.
You know what's the problem? They are not in good.
You
know when you next door neighbors a lot, but the neighbors they understand a man more than
a woman.
With the woman would act. You understand?
Yeah.
That's the only problem. So Anthony Piri, and then she said, yes, I know him and stuff. She was charged with murder, 2nd-degree murder.
Yo, but then, sorry.
She was charged with 2nd-degree murder.
But then, yeah, that's all we have for you today, ladies and gentlemen. Left, right, and center.
Yeah, no.
That's all we have for you today.
Yeah, I think the story about South Africa, that's why I'm saying South Africa. South Africa, it's a movie, Poppy.
No, we need a new government.
What do you mean government?
We need like new people in the parliament.
Only in the parliament. But we need a leader.
No, not one.
My sister.
Hear me out. Yeah. We need new people. Hear me out, mate.
So we must take all South African people, take them to Nigeria, take all the Nigerians here. So.
I never. Nigeria, I'm It's a generator.
So what do you mean? Or we need new people?
We need new people. The reason I'm saying that, like, South African police.
But then your police, you don't know which they work until they want you, yeah?
No, exactly.
Yeah, you guys.
But either way, if you can see most series that police officers are involved, it's a banana movie.
It's a banana movie.
They take police for granted. Imagine, I'm a bribe, this and no. Definitely, we need like a certain age limit over like when should our constable, our detective
stop and whatever. Okay, that's true.
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying. Like,
that's
if
true.
we can reshuffle our government, and because it will actually create more job opportunities for the youth. You understand? Hona tjena re na le Khabazela ko police station ke madala mkhaba mokana mothatse na kgone ho matha ha o tshwere ke arthritis.
When no one even our leaders now, our leaders are the DJs.
You understand?
Our leader.
Let's see.
Hey, mara EFF leader. Julie. You.
Can get DJ Jude.
Well, once made me dance, so that's one.
No, I like him. You know, I like him, ne? But I'm asking myself for Oranam Zanzi a DJ.
It's for the youth, that one.
No, it's for the youth.
It's for the
That one
youth,
is
ne?
for the youth.
You know?
But that
Muslim.
I feel like
that is the story. Zanzi abe DJ abe ing or akhatle youth.
Nah.
Malema is
Akaba is
putting the
perfect.
youth. It's smart.
Akaba a perfect leader.
Okay, that's nice.
Minister of Treasure, Minister of Minister
What do you mean a perfect president
No,
That's nice.
or
I'm
leader?
a leader, like
Akaba
the
Valley was-
Minister of Youth.
Yeah, he was.
But I didn't
I don't know, ANC, but he was good in youth. You understand?
Yeah.
He's good someone. He's good people. But now in Twinkagan, he always fights. Sometimes
Okay.
hardly you understand everything. Yeah, I can understand. And then now sometimes we need your knowledge. You understand? Bu smart baha.
But
Understand? Yeah, but yeah, now I like him. He's good people.
yeah, but let the government to
Please calm down.
to do things. But then that's all we have for you today.
Mhm.
And we will see you again. We'll see you again.
Please, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe,
And
and comment
comment.
and share. You understand? So, from me to you, Soti,
Bye.
we betile ka speedy poppy, but we love you. Hey. Thank you. Sha.
Also.